Taking into consideration the examination pattern and the syllabus allocated for these exams, we have come up with a few methods to help you crack the exams in a smooth manner. 1. Practice makes a man perfect. Keeping this in mind, keep up on the practice in solving various problems which require analytical reasoning and logic. 2. Keep up with your reading as it helps in comprehending problems set for the English language. Current affairs are of vital importance, so keep listening to the news and panel discussions. 4. Keep the mind relaxed. Setting a schedule for study helps in dividing the workload. Smart work requires less of hard work. 5th, lastly, take as many mock tests as possible. This helps in setting up a mode of practice to time yourself while solving problems. For this, I will suggest that you download the Prep Guru application built for this very purpose by Youth for Work.